Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because I'm about to show you how people are turning a single topic into a full, finished video without filming, scripting, or editing a single frame, and more importantly, how you can do it too with all the top AI models in one place. Over the past year, something changed in how videos get made. The old way meant researching it, scripting, designing slides, recording a voiceover, and editing for hours just to publish one video. That's over. Now there's a smarter way, and it's called AI Video Studio. So, what makes AI Video Studio so powerful? It isn't just another AI tool. You type a topic, it builds the slides, it writes the voiceover script, and it narrates it, syncs it, and turns it into a finished video. And that's exactly why. Creators are switching, marketers are switching, and course builders and agencies are switching. Everyone is moving toward AI-generated video because when you compare the results, the difference is obvious. AI Video Studio gives you structured slides, a ready-to-narrate script, a real voiceover, and a finished, editable video, which means more videos in less time for you, and it's powered by the best AI models on Earth. You're not locked into one engine. You choose from 6 elite AI models, DeepSeek Flash, fast content for everyday topics, DeepSeek Pro, advanced reasoning for complex topics, GPT 5.5 Pro, Premium, high-quality writing, Kimi K 2.6, technical and structured content, Claude Opus, long-form storytelling and education, and Gemini 3.1 Pro, slide generation and slide to video. Pick the perfect model for every single video. But here's the problem. To make videos the old way, you usually have to pay for everything separately. A scriptwriter for the words, a voiceover artist for the narration, a video editor to put it together, and plus slide tools and editing software. And it never stops. Every new video, every revision, more money, more waiting. So even though the tools exist, producing real video becomes slow and expensive. That's why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something simpler, something completely all-in-one. Introducing AI Video Studio, a centralized platform that turns any topic into a complete video, slides, script, voiceover, and synced narration, powered by 6 top AI models, current and upcoming versions, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI tool. This is your complete video creation command center. Here's what happens after you activate AI Video Studio. You log in, you type a topic or niche, you set your tone and length, or skip it. You pick a model, DeepSeek, GPT 5.5 Pro, Claude, Gemini, and more, and instantly it builds your slides, it writes your script, it generates the voiceover, and it syncs everything into a finished video. Faceless YouTube videos, ads and promos, course lessons, and reels and explainers in minutes, which means no scripting from a blank page, no recording booth, and no separate editing software. Just finished videos. And here's where it gets even better. It doesn't just work fast, it works smart. Structured slides, natural voiceovers, and smooth transitions with timed narration. So your videos don't just come out faster, they come out better. Better structure, better clarity, better watch time. And you stay in full control. Want to tweak it? You can trim the video, adjust slide timing, add background music, drop in text overlays, and apply smooth transitions. Then export as MP4 and post anywhere. And yes, it's beginner-friendly. No tech skills needed, no complicated prompts, and no editing experience. If you can type a topic, you can create a video. Now, let's talk about the price. Normally, to hire a writer, a voice artist, and an editor for every video, you'd be paying again and again. But today, you don't have to. With AI Video Studio, you get everything with a simple one-time payment of just $14.95. No subscription, no recurring fees. Just activate it once and start creating. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it, create your first videos with it. If you don't love it, We'll refund every penny within 30 days, no questions asked. So now, the decision is yours. Do you keep spending hours building every video by hand, or do you turn any topic into a finished video in minutes? If you're ready to create full videos from a single topic, replace writers, voice artists, and editors, use 6 top AI models in one place, publish more content faster, and finally, scale your video output, then click the button below, activate AI Video Studio, and start turning topics into finished videos today. No filming, no editing, no stress, just powerful AI video working for you. Your move starts now.